Okay, so we're leaving the town of Wadi Rum. We're going to a campsite on the desert. And what are your expectations, RJ?
I expect to experience what's it like to live in the desert, the cold weather.
The stars, sky with stars.
Oh, that's nice. I also expect good Wi-Fi.
Oh, I thought anything remote but with Wi-Fi.
You want to ask me?
What about you, Maya?
Why don't you ask me? I want to ride a camel. And I want to see the Arabian Nights. And I want to see Aladdin. And I want to see the genie.
Pasok tayo, grabe. No? Uy! Matindi! Can we survive the desert? Mukhang successful sa kuwan na to, sa business model kung sa kuwan na to, kung mabot siyang 2,000 reviews. Okay, so we'll be spending our overnight here in Wadi Rum, no? Wadi Rum. Entirely unique experience. So this area is just I think 50 kilometers from Aqaba, no? Another coastal town. Nice. Pwede ba dalhin sakyan dito eh? Baka tayo na dalhin? Baka bawal?